Alright, we're back. Yeah, we're gonna do something. Oh no. I think I need strength, don't we? Yeah, I think we need strength. Something like that. Because we're yeah, we're just gonna go get strength. Well, since we don't wanna waste time, we just fly. There, easy as that. No problemo. Went to the wrong one and moved Pokemon. Where's my Beedrill? Oh yeah, there it is. Move and we'll just take out Lugia. For now, just for now. We'll get him back later. Yeah. Alright, we just keep on running this way, that way, this way, that way. Here we use cut. Oh, yeah, cut. Yeah, you hear my dogs barking. They always bark for no reason. And I'm gonna get this place. It's hard. Stupid vases. Who put those in, man? Ugh. Don't you see we need them? Shit. I hate stupid vases. Alright, and I'm not gonna deal with this. I'll just go on to the next gym battle. So we're just gonna use fly. Gonna fly to Safarian where I got the badge. Let me go no badge. I'll just flying to yeah, whatever it's called. I don't even know what it's called. Yeah. Just fly all the way over there. I think it's Misty's. Yeah, Misty's. Well, we need electric and more grass. Ooh, damn. Well, at least oh, just switch to Dragonite to who's calling Liz? Then you can call all the way from Johto. Yeah, well, she's all the way in Johto. I'm not gonna go bother her. Where the hell is her gym? Well, it's near. Oh, there it is. Oh, we just go in here. Hey, it's different from the last game. Where the hell is everybody? No. On the old game, there'll be a cave right there that guy will be blocking. Said, oh yeah, you can't come in because something. There's a wild Pokemon that's way too strong and you can't reach. Oh yeah, in the old game, if I already know that. Right there used to be like Team Rocket, something Team shit. Team Rocket was like sold in HM or TM. It's called TM Dig. Yeah. Well, we just go on to the next gym battle. And where is that? Pewter City. And we only have like 2 minutes. Oh guys, to be battling the people that block gym leader, that would take 2 minutes at least 2 minutes. And I'll just go. And we only have 1 minute left. And see, we just come in here. Awesome. So we'll just battle the first gym leader and first gym, not the gym, but the gym trainer. Whatever it's called, gym trainer. Yeah, first these are right arm, left, which is pretty strong. Yeah, strong. Let's just go on. Alright, Yeast Surf. Obvious that's supposed to kill him. Nothing can stand, not even rock can stand water. Well, that's time's up, man. Yeah, we just see you in my next episode.